My name's Jeff Woolley. I'm the CSO of Meter Systems, and I'm here to show you today the reasons we have changed the product portfolio renaming. So we want to go through the restructuring of the names of each machine, and I wanted to show you today why we've done that and the reasons and the new product range in the Metermix portfolio. So what we've decided to do is the original naming for the machines was always PAR. So all of the machines in the Metermix range were beginning with PAR, PAR 3C, PAR 30, PAR 50. What we've decided that nobody really understands what PAR means. So in order to make the product range easier to understand for not only for our distributors and for our customers, we decided to split them into 4 basic categories. These categories have been split, as you can see on the slide. Machines for processing liquid materials and machines for processing paste materials. So if we look at the machines for processing liquid materials, we've decided that we will use the word liquid flow and liquid shot. And the reason for this is that when we have SCA and SEO Google rankings as well, someone who is searching for a machine to process a liquid will put in liquid and it will search for the Metermix brand. And also if they just decide that they want to put in a flow or if they want to put in a shot, so it's a machine for dispensing shots of material, we can also search because it's a liquid flow and a liquid shot. So this actually it means more to people than PAR. So what we've done is the liquid machines, they are machines where we have gravity feed reservoirs. So you can see from the picture on the slide, we have gravity feed tanks that we pour the materials into. So if the material is a pourable material and it's a liquid, we can pour it into the tanks on the machine, and the machine is called a liquid. So the second part of the naming, the flow and the shot, is determined by the actual the machine itself. So I'll go into this a little bit later. Moving down to the paste machines, so we have the paste shots. So these are machines for processing paste materials. So we are talking about non-pourable products. So here we have the paste flow and we have the paste shot. So I'll just go into the next slide and we can explain the machines for the liquid materials. So these would be the liquid shot machines. Now, when we say liquid shot machines, we are talking about machines that will dispense a metered shot. So when you dispense, you pull the trigger on the gun or you push the foot pedal, the machine will dispense a metered shot of material. We have here 4 different sizes within the range. So we have the liquid shot 2, the 3, the 4 and the 5. Within each of these ranges, we do have some differences. You'll see on the liquid shot 3 here. We have the liquid shot 3C, the CE, the CM, and then we have the CT and the CTE. So the last digits in the naming of the machines is the same as previous, so that anybody who is familiar with the previous range of machines will be familiar with the new range of machines, because the 3C and 3CTE, it's the same as previous. So what have we done? We've removed the PAR and we've replaced it with liquid shot instead. So here, just going through the range briefly, we have the liquid shot 2. So this is the smallest machine in the range. It's the shot machine. So it's a liquid shot machine. So it's dispensing a metered shot. This one is a rod displacement technology for the liquid shot 2. And then we move into the piston pump machines for the liquid shot 3, the liquid shot 4, and the liquid shot 5. Liquid shot 5 being the biggest machine in the range. There is only one machine under this banner, which is the liquid shot 5C. So that is the liquid shot machines. Liquid flow machines, basically these are machines which will give you a constant flow of material. So when you turn the machine on, it will dispense. It will keep dispensing until you release the trigger or release the foot pedal. So it's a constant flow machine, which is why we've called it a liquid flow. Again, we have in the range, we have a liquid flow 2, which is the smallest machine in the range. This is one of the newest machines within the meter mix range, which is called the liquid flow 2 PC. The 2PC actually stands for 2 progressive cavity. So that's why we call it a 2PC. So the technology for the liquid flow 2 is the progressive cavity metering system. When we move on to the liquid flow 30 and the liquid flow 40 and the liquid flow 50 machines, these are all gear pump machines. So basically we have the entry level gear pump machine, which is the liquid flow 30. We've now introduced the liquid flow 30M for the modular version, which we'll be introducing mainly in the USA, but throughout the world later on in the year. We also have the liquid flow 40, which is the mid-range, and the liquid flow 50, which is the top end machine for high flow rates, machines where you need a big frame to put a big tank on, and this is high output rate, liquid flow, constant flow, liquid flow 50 machine. These are the liquid flow machines. So when we move to the machines for paste materials, which ones are these? Firstly, we'll start with the paste flow machine. So we work with the paste flow 20 and the paste flow 200. These machines are gear pump machines. So when we are talking about flow, we mean gear pump systems or constant flow. So both of these machines are they incorporate follower plates which push down into the actual drums of the material, and they have gear pumps fitted onto the follower plates. So they are designed for processing high viscosity materials with a constant flow, which is why we have called them the paste flow machines. So in the paste flow 20G, there is only the one version, but we have two versions for the paste flow 200. The paste flow 200G 20 is the one as per the picture. So you have a 200 litre on the A and a 20 litre on the B. And then when we say the paste flow 200, this will be two 200 litre drums. So moving on to paste shot machines. Again, there are two different versions, the paste shot 20 and the paste shot 200. So very similar to the paste flow machines, but these are shot machines, so they are dispensing a metered shot. So in essence, these are piston pump machines. They would dispense a shot and then reload, dispense, reload. So you will have this pulsed system. Okay. In each of variations of these two machines, we have 4 variations on the 20, as you can see on the left-hand side, the paste shot 20A. Which is it's the hybrid type of machine where you have a 20 litre follower plate for the paste on the A, but you will have a gravity feed tank for liquid material on the B. Then we have the paste shot 20C, the 20CE and the 20F. The 20F being a single part pumping system from 20 litre drums. We move to the 200 litre system and we have 6 different versions here. So the 200C20, 200C, these are the pneumatic versions, either in 220 or 200 versions. And then we have the electric versions, which have the E in the name. We have the F, which is the single component one. And then we have the A, which again is a paste for the A component and a gravity feed tank for the B component. I'd like to thank you today for joining us. And if you want any more information, you can visit our website. Thank you very much.